Hello po, kakanta po ako ng Beng Beng at ni-request po ito ni Idros. Hindi ko po alam kung Idros na ang pronunciation ng name mo and sorry po. By the way, kasama ko po pala yung #1 fan ko at sobrang mahal na mahal ko siya. Kilala ko sa inyo. Tada! Okay. She got a body like an hourglass, but I can give it to you all the time. She got a body like a Cadillac, but I can send you into overdrive. Love you waiting for that. See, anybody could be bad to you. You need a good, gotta blow your mind. Oh, bang bang into the room. I know you want it, bang bang all over you. I let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute, till ya. Bang bang, there goes your heart. I know you want it, back seat of my car. I let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute, till ya. Sorry po kung pangit.